This one an update on my Kadenuga mistress. Most of na here when this woman come outside, they cry, say EFCC say make she pack out, promote from the house. Say she thief one kind money. When she dey complain, say she don't waste 30 years of her life. They stay with my Kadenuga and nothing happen. But as a matter be, we don't hear another one. And this one a confirmed source from EFCC. We gather say they see 507 million naira with this woman, with this Madam Nora Olamide. Hey, see criminal. You will be saying, you know, say you be thief. You go thief this kind of money, you can't come outside, they form this kind of drama, begin cry, they do all this kind of thing. Or now they see eyes of thief. Who will believe say this kind of woman go fit do this kind of thing? And she they cry, say my Kadenuga arrest her, pursue her unjustly. Say she just waste her time. But as a peer, we got her say, no be even my Kadenuga do anything. Say na court na order her. Say the time when she did with Globacom, she thief 1 billion naira. So out of that money when she thief, it be like say they can't even finalize. Okay, if you know say no one go police station, no one go jail, return this money. Say at that period, say, she even return 100,000 million. She return 100 million rather. So as the matter come pay now, return the remaining money. It be like say she no see the money return. Now here EFCC come go say auntie pack out come out from this week. Now there auntie come start drama. And say this whole drama self now just will tarnish my Kadenuga image. So in fact, the relationship, like say, it doesn't end since the man don't even put eye on top of another person. The eye not even on top of this woman again. So I don't know why the whole unnecessary drama. And say even she and her accomplice, those ones said they don't drop their own money. They said they don't pay about 400 million. Hey, this money plenty. Making this money really plenty. I beg how person go they work with person. Person will be saying they call your lover. You go still when they pray for him down for you go thief this kind of money. Why be saying you don't just even ask this man, say, honey, sweet him. I beg go, I need this kind of money. Go be belle. Maybe this man go give it, you don't reason on that one. You and your accomplice, your fellow thieves, and I can't gather together. Say, I want thief this kind of big money. 1 billion, for life, oh, it's about you. The money too plenty. For no reason. But women, we get mad. We really get mad. See, Ojuku cold. Now you be the thief, now you still come be the drama queen. Now you still come, they act drama, they cry, they do all this kind of thing. I beg what to make you react. I just say you even react. If this man for just even pity you, say okay, take the house. But I just say the way you misbehave, can't spoil him. All this one say go join. And I say you don't see the money drop. So maybe now the collateral and I be this one. Maybe the don't reason I say okay, as you no get money, the house where you dey live, release and that one if you no want release. Why be saying you get greedy like this? You do something, come on, say wahala don't come. You want me to do everything by force. Some ladies and blessings we just like problem for our life. But as you know say you want stay there, find the money, pay the money. If you know say you want stay inside this house, find that money, pay the man the money, make case close. Maybe he will release the house for you. But if you know say you no get a beg, give the man the money. But this matter, in fact, I don't even want to put them because you enter this relationship because of matter, because of money. So now, if money don't turn to a own fight, make now two face the wahala banana, make now look when they add people, they complain, say, make people come your aid, make people come they help you. Because as you enter, nobody hear them. So now, as money don't come turn devil between them, make now two settle them by yourself. My people beg, I hear this one, I can't make I bring and come, make now say this na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything I feel about this whole matter, I just talk now. Make you not forget to write down inside the comment section. Make you not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Police don't rescue 100 victims for Zamfara, after which these people don't spend 42 days inside kidnappers den. Hey, Naija people. Hey, they said that this group of women where they go rescue, where police go rescue. In fact, this thing happened within June 8th. Now there all those kidnappers, they go, this community go kidnap them, these people. But as it be now, I don't know where bandits be these kidnappers go sleep. But now God talk to them, be waiting to talk to them. They just decide on their own. Nobody tell them anything. Say they won't release them this woman. See the power. You know what happened? It maybe then this woman wahala plenty. Maybe based on Amebo, now so they gonna do Amebo for inside the place. They fight. Now there and this kidnappers come and say, on a wahala don't too much. Make na cook and herself go. I think as maybe now all this one join. I made the console kill. Make na con they go because they just release them just for free, just like that. On my people, I beg, make na follow me see.
Today we are very happy to reunite with our brothers and sisters with their children who have been in captivity for over 42 days in the hands of some recalcitrant bandits. I always tell you, His Excellency, the Governor of Zamfara State, Dr. Bello Muhammad Matawallan Maradu, Bardan Ƙasa Hausa, Shatiman Daular Usmaniya, has accepted and led all the processes to ensure sulhu that will finally perpetuate peace in Zamfara State. The outcome of sulhu is what we are seeing today. I have more than 80 human beings who have been in that captivity, and we got them through the process of sulhu. And they are in good health without paying a kobo or any material gain for anybody who might have participated in ensuring the rescue of these innocent individuals.
Hey, I beg wetin be the rescue for here? Wetin dey rescue? Because I tell say if police wan rescue person, they go use police motor. They carry them these people. This one now, this motor what? Na cattle area motor. Motor dey take carry cow and meat. Now they come use take bundle human. Nigeria, na no go continue to dey surprise me. Now this kind of motor, now they come use they carry them this woman come back. But make now look at this woman face. There is every person where don't go kidnappers them come outside. And I sure say no be all these women where they beg, all these Fulani women where we say they go stay for road, they do bambi ala koba. And I sure say no be them be this. They can't go pack them, can't drop say now them be the kidnappers so they don't care. Be waiting I even call them. And I sure say no be them this woman because I never going to understand anything where they happen. Because for bandit to just decide, I mean a kidnappers to just decide, say they won't release person without negotiation. In fact, they say 5 naira. Come on down, they no see. Unless say them this and kidnappers, they don't see one fine fruit among them. Before they come decide, okay, make we release honor. Make we take this. Because I don't understand. But we gotta say, out of the 100 people here, say 20 people still go hospital because they know they too feel. I don't know what they do for them for that place. But bless say they still they go through medical check-up and they go through medical treatment. My beg, make we comment our police. Make we comment and fire police because for this one, on a try smooth. But I beg, out of all this kidnapper being released when I release, when I go rescue people. One bandit on a no see catch. One kidnapper on a no see out of, in fact, millions of people where they don't kidnap and I no see them. Not only this 100 now I see. Make I know you talk so all these things where they happen, it be like saying a negotiation. Because now when I go there, now then these people release these people by themselves. Now when I still go there, go back then these people come. So I beg us now go there. What did I follow them discuss? I ain't not do everything I gather these people. On I no fighting and I no do anything. It can't be like trade and battle. On a carry come, we carry go. What did they happen? All these things, you know, they even make sense. You know, in fact, you know, they even link up at all because if you reason now, you go see and say something they happen. But anyways, thank God saying for the North safe, now this whole thing they happen now, they face nothing. And as it be, on a governor don't talk, say in there for honor. Say anything where they happen, you go try and make sure say this whole kidnapping and everything go reduce. And say go make sure say some father turn as it be before 20 years back. Say as everywhere they cool, they go make sure say everything go back. So making they depend on them. Because nothing where person go talk, tire will be say go change. If bandit decide say they won't collect this, but me I sure say then this government people they lie. Bandit will go kidnappers will go kidnap person say they won't use the money, they do something. Now they can't decide. I don't know be an Allah enter their mind, be a God. They can't decide on their own free will. Be somebody cook one kind of jollof for them. They can't say yes, they won't release them. This one kind command they inside this matter. But I beg now I go face my own problem. My people I beg I hear this one. I can't make I bring and come. Make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Everything I just hear about, if I get anything to talk about, and make na write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.